I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Toyota Supra with cardboard. First, gather your essential materials like sturdy cardboard sheets, a sharp craft knife, and a reliable adhesive. Next, find and print a scaled template of the Toyota Supra. This will be your guide for accurate cuts and proportions. Always work on a protected surface and ensure good ventilation for safety. Let's get started on this exciting project. Now, with your template ready, carefully cut out each piece from the cardboard. Precision is key here, so take your time. For any fold lines, score them lightly with your craft knife before bending. This technique ensures clean, sharp edges, giving your Supra a professional finish. Always use a ruler and a straight edge to guide your cuts, preventing any wobbly lines. This step lays the foundation for a great model. It's time to bring your Supra to life. Start by assembling the main body sections, carefully aligning each piece according to your template. Use a strong adhesive and allow ample drying time between steps. Once the core structure is solid, move on to adding the intricate details. Think about the windows, wheels, and that iconic spoiler. For extra strength, reinforce critical joints with small strips of cardboard. This ensures your model is robust. For the final touches, gently smooth any rough edges on your cardboard Supra using fine grit sandpaper. This will give it a more refined and professional appearance. Next, unleash your creativity by applying paint or markers to add color and realistic details, like headlights and taillights. This is where your Supra truly comes to life. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for reading anywhere, and other fantastic deals. Enjoy your finished masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.